In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website with GoDaddy. We'll go through the setup process in a simple, clear way so you can get your site started without feeling overwhelmed. If you already have a GoDaddy account, that's great. If not, begin by opening your GoDaddy account and signing in so you can access your dashboard and all the tools connected to your products. Once you're inside your account, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account settings, services, and website-related options. Click on your profile, and from there, go to the section called My Products. This area shows the services and tools available in your account, including website options you can set up. In the My Products section, find the option to set up your free website and click it. This is where the website creation process begins. GoDaddy will guide you through a setup flow designed to help you build a site based on your needs, even if you have no prior web design experience. Next, you'll be asked to select which features your website needs. Take your time here and choose the options that best match the type of site you want to create. For example, you may see features related to showcasing services, displaying products, collecting contact information, or helping visitors learn more about your business or project. Choosing the right features now helps shape the layout and tools your website will include later. After selecting the features you want, click to continue. The platform will then ask you to choose the option that best suits your website. This usually means selecting the category, style, or purpose that most closely matches what you're building. Try to pick the one that feels most relevant because it helps GoDaddy tailor the setup experience and suggest a more suitable starting design. From there, you'll be able to enter your website name along with other necessary details needed for the setup. Make sure your website name is clear, easy to understand, and relevant to your brand, service, or topic. You'll also have the chance to add a description for your website. This description should briefly explain what your website is about, so visitors immediately understand its purpose. In some cases, GoDaddy's AI can help provide that description for you, which can save time and give you a useful starting point. Once you've filled in those details, you'll be much closer to having your website ready to customize. Go slowly, review each choice carefully, and make sure everything reflects the kind of website you want to create. That's how to make a website with GoDaddy.